How to make money with music on YouTube. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make money with music on YouTube. There are a lot of ways that you can make money with music, and we're highlighting a few of the best methods today. By following these tips, you can start raking in some cash quickly and easily. So be sure to watch the video and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Do music channels on YouTube make money? An easy way to make money on YouTube is through ad revenue by getting clicks and views on your video. But artists can also make a profit on YouTube through user-generated content, music promotion, and by signing up to YouTube monetization programs. Monetizing your channel is the trick to making even more money on YouTube as an artist. Can you earn money by uploading songs on YouTube? Uploading your songs to YouTube is a great way to get exposure for your music, and it can also earn you a profit at the same time. When you upload a song to YouTube, you will get paid royalties based on how many views and clicks your video gets. The money you get paid is generated by ad revenue. Advertisers pay YouTube to run ads during your videos, and in turn, you'll get paid royalties. If fans, commercials, or other YouTube users feature your songs in their videos, you can earn a cut of the revenue from their content too. How much does an artist make per view on YouTube? How much money an artist makes on YouTube depends heavily on how much engagement a video gets. It can also depend on various other factors, like whether you have to pay a producer, distributor, or featured artist their cut too. In 2022, the average YouTube channel makes around $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views. Views and clicks will generate an income for you on YouTube, but the money you make from royalties alone will be limited if you don't actively seek alternative ways to monetize your channel. How to make money with music on YouTube. You can make money on YouTube by uploading videos featuring your music and monetizing them. A simple way to do this by changing a setting on your channel to allow YouTube to put ads in your video, which will then earn you YouTube royalties every time someone watches your content. As a musician, you should monetize your music on YouTube as well as your videos. Other people can use your tracks in their YouTube videos, and as the music creator, you're entitled to the revenue from this user-generated content as well as your own videos. To monetize your music across the whole platform, YouTube offers a system called Content ID. This tracks where your songs are being used on the site and lets you decide what you want to happen next. How to monetize your songs in other people's videos. YouTube's Content ID system gives artists the option to take down a video using their music or to receive a cut of the royalties. But the Content ID system isn't always successful at detecting videos that use copyrighted music. Sometimes videos can be undetected by YouTube if the clip of the song is just short enough, or if the track's been edited slightly. To make sure you trace 100% of YouTube content that features your music, you might want to hire a company who will find and monetize every video your music is featured on. AdRev and CD Baby are examples of music distributors who can help you monetize your music on YouTube and ensure you earn revenue on every video containing your songs, regardless of who uploads it. How do artists make money from music videos? As an artist, you'll have to do more than upload music videos and wait for streams to make real money on YouTube. You need to monetize your YouTube channel to maximize your earning potential. Monetizing means to earn revenue from. And here's how you can increase the revenue you earn on your music videos. Allow YouTube to put ads on your videos. Create playlists so your viewers watch multiple videos on your channel. Link Google AdSense to your account. Collaborate with YouTube influencers or popular artists to boost your streams. And promote sponsored content in your videos. Companies can make huge payouts to YouTubers to promote their products. How to make money on YouTube. Monetizing your channel won't be beneficial if you don't have any viewers for your content in the first place. The key to making money on YouTube is all about discovery. The more viewers you attract, the more revenue you'll create. YouTube can be a good earner for artists if you drive more traffic to your channel. Make money with YouTube ads. Ad revenue is a simple and easy way to make money on your music videos on YouTube. Once you join the YouTube Partner Program and turn on video monetization, you'll be able to enable ads on your videos and start earning revenue on your content. As the video creator, you get to say where the ads are used on your page and your videos. YouTube has a whole guide on their advertising formats, and you can pick between ads with the most earning potential or ads that are the least obtrusive. How much does YouTube pay? YouTube doesn't fare very well when compared to the revenue rates paid by other streaming platforms. Last year, studies found that YouTube artists earned about 0.0069 cents per stream, while Apple artists were paid about 0.0735 cents per stream, and Spotify users earned about 0.0437 cents per stream. The figures might not depict YouTube as a very promising source of income for an independent artist, but these figures are only based on streams. You probably won't earn lots of money on YouTube if you rely on happenstance clicks and views, but if you monetize your YouTube channel in other ways, you have the potential to turn over a bigger profit. How much do music artists make on YouTube? The amount of royalties YouTube pays doesn't paint the whole picture of YouTube's earning potential. Artists can make money on the video streaming platform beyond subscriptions and streams. Singers and musicians use YouTube in lots of alternative ways to boost their revenue and profit on the platform. They also use their YouTube channel to direct traffic to their other sales outlets, like their online store and ticket and song sales sites, to generate a bigger income. I hope you guys surely liked and enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.